here at Jameson Shaw Hairdressers. Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. Today I wanted to show you a little bit about the hairline. So once you start the hairline, a lot of times we get the question of how do you go from skimming right above the ear and carrying that on throughout the hairline. So what I've done is I've already skimmed the hairline, but I wanted to show you how you would work up the hair in order to keep that skim going. So I've sectioned off above the skim section and left off the front. So what you would do is you would work back to front and you would go ahead and paint the back section, and then you would continue your skim, but doing it individually. So I'm just going to grab this piece, and notice how my skim is here, and then I would take this top section here and just skim with each section, continuing throughout. So what happens is once you've worked up the head, every piece on the hairline is actually skimmed. And then you get a result, like on the other side here, where all of the hairline is skimmed. So you don't get those dark spots that you sometimes wonder about. Thanks for tuning in to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays.
Hi, Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.